What is force? Does force mean being strong? No. When force reveals its weakness, flexibility shows its full strength. The force of flexibility. Experience the new Sonax Profiline ceramic coating CC36. The most powerful car paint protection that ever existed. CC36 is not only strong, but flexible. It coats the body like a second skin. Other paint sealants are nearly as laborious as an entirely new car paint job. CC36 is applied in 2 steps to the car paint. Flexible for the best car paint protection. No breathing protection. No paint pistol. And no infrared radiation needed. The particles reactively anchor to the surface and form a covalent bond with the car paint. This creates a highly resistant, flexible network, protecting the car paint from external influences. Dirt particles bounce off the flexible surface without damaging it. Like that, the car paint keeps its long-lasting, brilliant shine with depth effect. Sonax Profiline ceramic coating CC36. Flexible is strong.